Dear nature, first, we, society, the human race, are so sorry for not throwing away our trash, recycling, and being good people to you. But we will soon later adapt better rules in order to help you keep clean so your climate doesn't change and the animals are still alive forever. And hopefully we can also adjust ways we can reuse different materials such as like metal, clothes, and everyday objects. We are also very sorry for very corrupt systems we have that end up hurting you, and hopefully in the future the temperature won't rise too much and cities won't end up underground because of climate change. So sincerely, humanity. Bye.